Hello students, today we will learn line of symmetry. Yesterday you learned symmetrical shape. Line of symmetry is what? A line of symmetry divides our given figure into two equal halves. एक लाइन जिससे अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे फिगर को, फिर वो किसमें हेल्प करती है आपको? ये बताने में कि इस लाइन से जब हम काटेंगे या डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो दो हिस्से आएंगे उस चीज के वो बराबर होंगे. सो अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री डिवाइड्स अ फिगर इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ. I have a figure over here on the board. This is of rectangle shape. Let us learn how to divide it equally. The breadth of this figure is of how much? 6 inches. The total 6 inches. So if I have to take half of it, बराबर करना है यानी दो इक्वल. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाफ लेना पड़ेगा. Half of 15 is 7.5. And here also I will mark half of 15, 7.5. If I want to divide it like this, ऐसे भी divide कर सकते हैं हम लोग, इस तरह से और इस तरह से. In that case, I have to measure the length of this length. So the length of this side is 15 plus 3, 18. Half of 18 is 9. So what I will do, I will mark a point at 9 centimeter over here and 9 centimeter over here. And with the help of the longer scale, now I will draw a line. This line indicates that my figure is divided into two equal halves. Or I can draw a line like this also, and this line also indicates the above part and below part are equal. So this kind of line is called line of symmetry. एक लाइन जो आपकी फिगर को बराबर हिस्सों में बांट दे. See some items lying in front of me. Let us learn how to draw a line of symmetry, or is it possible to draw a line of symmetry or not. This is shape of a letter A. How to divide it into two equal parts? If I am going to fold it like this, is that give you two equal part? No. If I will divide it, fold it like this, then we will get see exactly two equal halves. So our line of symmetry will go where you have to draw a line of symmetry like this. This line decide that there are two equal halves if we are going to divide it like this. Talking about this B, alphabet B, if we want to divide it into two equal parts, is it possible? No. Why? Let us check. If I am going to fold it like this, see, the upper part is smaller and lower part is bigger. So we are not getting equal parts. If I am going to divide it like this, shapes are different. So in B, it is not possible to draw any line of symmetry. Taking the example of this flower, is it possible to draw a line of symmetry? We can draw a line of symmetry in many possible ways. Like we can divide it like this. You can see that these two parts are equal, exactly equal. I can divide it like this also. I can draw a line over here also to get equal parts, two equal parts. I can fold it like this also. This line also divide my figure into two equal halves, and I can divide it like this also. So any line you can take as a line of symmetry. So if I have to draw a line of symmetry, I can divide a line like this which divide my figure into two equal parts, or like this also, or this. जैसे आपको सही लगे आप ड्रॉ करिए टू डिवाइड द फिगर इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट. सो दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. Again, if you are having a square with you, same procedure. If I do fold it like this, I will get two equal halves. So this line, when you draw a line over here, it means that line divide your figure into two equal parts. Here also, in this manner, you will get two equal parts. In this manner, so at all the folds, you have to divide a line. Draw a line. When you draw a line like this, you will get two equal halves. When you draw a line like this, then also we will get two equal halves. Equal halves we are talking about. This also will give you two equal halves, and this also will give you two equal halves. So first tell, is it possible to get two equal half of this figure? मिलेगी इसमें line of symmetry? Can you draw like this? No. Like this? No. कैसे बनेगी? We have to draw a line passing through the center. जब आप ऐसे बनाएंगे तो दोनों तरफ बराबर की फिगर आएगी. दिस इज द हार्ड वन. इफ यू विल फोल्ड you will get equal shape on both the side. So that by drawing a line passing through the center over like here like this, you will get a line of symmetry which divides the figure into two equal halves. Similarly, for heart shape, where the line of symmetry you will draw in the center, because we know that if we fold it like this, then only we will get two equal halves. अगर हम ऐसे फोल्ड करें, ऐसे आप लाइन ड्रॉ करो या ऐसे ड्रॉ करो तो आपको मिलेगी टू इक्वल हाफ फिगर? नहीं. We can get two equal half only by drawing a line over here. This line decides that our figure is divided into two equal half. Taking the figure of rectangle, where you will draw the line of symmetry, हम इसे ऐसे भी फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. जब ऐसे फोल्ड करा तो ये लाइन आपकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बन जाएगी. Here you have to draw a line to show the line of symmetry. You can fold it like this also to divide the figure into two equal half. So you can draw a line like this also to give it line of symmetry in this figure. For this butterfly, is it possible to divide it into two equal? Yes. When we will draw a line in between in the center, then you will get two equal halves of butterfly. Is it possible to divide this scissor into two equal half? Yes. If I will cut it from here, then we will get same shape on both the side. Is it possible to divide this comb into two equal half? आप कोई लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो बताए कि दोनों तरफ बराबर है. अगर हम ऐसे कर दे तो इज इट इक्वल? ऐसे कर दे, यहाँ देखिए ये पतली हो रही है, यहाँ चौड़ी है, यहाँ पे इसकी विड्थ ज़्यादा है. सो इन नो केस यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू इक्वल हाफ. हम ऐसे करेंगे तो ये ऊपर उठा हुआ है, ये नीचे स्लांटिंग है. सो in this figure, in this kind of item, we are not able to draw a line of symmetry. Taking the example of mobile, is it possible? Yes. This breadth is showing the line of symmetry. We can draw a line over here also to divide it into two equal halves. Talking about this box, is it possible to divide it into two equal halves? Yes, because it is in rectangle shape. When we cut it like this, then we will get two equal half. We can cut it like this also in length to get two equal halves. So in this manner you have to draw a line of symmetry, students. And thank you.